Alright, what's good, YouTube? I know few of y'all been following me on my road to getting swole. But just to show y'all a little bit of improvement. I'm not gonna work out tonight, but just to show you a little bit of the body. Show you how it's getting together. Alright? And this way. This week one, alright? Go. Ah, get them guns. Bam. Get that chest. Alright. Just a little something for you. More to come soon. Get your boy Philly.